Schools across Indiana will no longer be required to notify parents if someone in their child's class tests positive for COVID-19.
WDRB's Grace Haba shares how that change and the other new guidelines from the state are impacting local schools.
As COVID-19 cases continue to drop in southern Indiana and the state updates its COVID-19 policies, some school districts say their students no longer need to wear masks. And for those here at Silver Creek Middle School, it all starts today. Inside the health office at Silver Creek Middle School,
Clinic, this is Casey. May I help you?
Casey Drain has made many calls regarding contact tracing.
That is a tremendous load and burden that has been placed on school systems.
But now she won't have to.
I'm really excited. I know a lot of the students have been really excited.
According to the state, schools no longer have to notify students or parents of a positive COVID-19 case, meaning other students who were in close contact won't need to quarantine.
When we had to quarantine healthy students, that was very difficult and not something that we wanted to do.
Along with Silver Creek, several other districts are now also dropping mask requirements.
Greater Clark County schools will follow the new Indiana Department of Health guidelines.
Greater Clark and New Albany Floyd County schools going mask optional on Monday.
We are, much more advanced in how we're able to handle this than we were a year, 2 years ago.
Clark County Health Officer Dr. Eric Yazel says the changes don't mean COVID-19 is over.
This doesn't mean hands off, we're not paying attention anymore.
But says it does signal a light at the end of an over 2-year-long tunnel.
It's an interesting time right now. We're kind of transitioning from a pandemic phase to more of a just a natural how you treat other infections sort of process. And obviously, if we see things heading in the wrong direction, we can change our protocols and adjust with it.
And I think it's time. This is a transition period, hopefully to get us to an endemic rather than a pandemic. And I think that we're all ready.
Grace Haba, WDRB News.